Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss page event. Page event. At each stage of the page life cycle, the page raises some events which could be coded. An event handler is basically a function and event handler is basically a function or subroutine bound to the event using declarative attributes such as unlock, onClick or handle. An event handler is basically function or subroutine bound to the event using declarative attributes such as on click or handle. See page event one by one. Pre-init, second is init, third one is init complete, then next load view state, then next load post data, then preload, then next load, then load complete, then pre-render, then pre-render complete, then next save state complete, then unload. See pre-init. Pre-init is the first event in page life cycle. Pre-init is the first event in page life cycle. It checks the is postback property and determines whether the page is a postback. It checks the is postback property and determines whether the page is postback. It sets the themes and master pages, creates dynamic control, and gets and sets profile property values. This event can be handled by overloading the on pre-init method or creating a page pre-init handler. Then next init. Init event initialize the control property and the control tree is built. This event can be handled by overloading the onIt method or creating a page init handler. Then next init complete. Init complete event allows tracking of view state. All the controls turn on view state tracking. Init complete event allows tracking of view state. All the controls turn on view state tracking. Then next load view state. Load view state event allows loading view state information into the controls. Then next load post data. During this phase, the contents of all input fields are defined with the form tag are processed. Then next preload. Preload occurs before the postback data is loaded in the control. This event can be handled by overloading the on preload method or creating a page preload handler. The next load. The load event is raised for the page first and then recursively for all child controls. The controls in the control tree are created. This event can be handled by overloading the onLoad method or creating a page load handler. Then next load complete. The loading process is completed. Control event handler are run and page validation take place. This event can be handled by overloading the onLoad complete method or creating a page load complete handler. Then next pre-render. The pre-render event occurs just before output is rendered. By handling this event, pages and controls can perform any update before the output is rendered. Then next pre-render complete. As the pre-render event is recursively fired for all child controls, this event ensure the completion of the pre-render phase. Then next save state complete. State of control on the page is saved. Personalization, control state and view state information is saved. The HTML markup is generated. This page can be handled by overriding the render method or creating a page render handler. Then next unload. Unload. See, the unload phase is the last phase of the page life cycle. It raises the unload event for all control recursively, and lastly for the page itself. Final cleanup is done at resource and references such as database connection are freed. This event can be handled by modifying the onload method or creating a page pre-unload handler.